So we're on this beautiful beach in La Isla Mujeres. We're gonna be shooting some pictures around this wonderful hammock. Let's get going. So we're shooting on the 70-200 today. It's my favorite portrait lens, and you can create some amazing bokeh in the background. You can probably see in today's pictures. So far so good. The first model we're shooting today is Luly. She's a little bit of a crazy model with quite a unique style. As you can probably see, she has loads of tattoos and she really has this rock and roll / pirate kind of vibe. So the setting really matches her overall vibe, let's say. Se puede poner aquí para And then the second model for today is Evelyn. Now Evelyn is a more traditional bikini style model, and there's a bonus. She only speaks Spanish, so I get to practice my Spanish in today's video as well. So yeah, wish me luck. Okay, very nice. Quiero un con el agua aquí. Sí. Un poquito ahí. Wow. Okay, otra. Okay, very nice. We will make one more on the walkway. I'm not sure what the English word is. Muy bien.
When you hear the shutter going off so many times, you know it's good, right?
Yeah, the plants are moving all over the place. I'm just making them, and I will bring to the plant gods to give me some good shots. Okay. Wow, these are looking amazing. Y el último, pronto, pero con lo... Sí. Quiero uno más de aquí, pero se puede poner aquí. I'm going for some silhouette shots. We get some amazing body shapes. It's basically only shapes we are seeing, and it looks very strong. Plus the reflection on the water looks amazing. And of course, let's not forget the model is doing some amazing work. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching these shorter kind of POV videos. So like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, ciao ciao, bye bye.